Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back to share with you guys two TNs that I made, and these are actually a little bit different than what you probably have seen. This is actually made from fabric and it is laminated. So it is extremely easy to clean up. If you get any stains on it, you can just wipe it up with a damp cloth. They are pretty similar and they are the same size. All the components in each one are the same, but just different variations. So let me go ahead and share with you guys each one and let you see what's inside. Okay, I'm going to start off with this one. And if you guys are wondering, the size of the covers are about 4.5 by 6.5. And I believe this is called a pocket size. And the inserts are 3 3/4 by 5.5, I believe. I'm not sure. I will put that in the description box below. But it is a great size. You can fit up to 4 inserts in here. And like I mentioned, I created this from fabric. It has these really pretty swans with the gold detailing on it, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's really light white polka dots in the background. When I do create the laminated fabric TNs, I do like to use the flat elastic so it doesn't mar the cover so much. And all of the holes have eyelets in it. And then here is the back. I did go ahead and add this really pretty charm onto the front with a lobster claw, but you can go ahead and take that out if you want. And then I created just a really simple dangle here. Alright, so let's open it up. This is all handmade and machine stitched. So I have a gray and white striped coordinating fabric on the inside, and also the front and the back each have a pocket, as you can see. Here in the front is a dashboard. This is a clear acetate piece with gold lettering. I did stick some sample sticky notes and flags in here. And then here is the first booklet. I did use some coordinating pattern paper to cover these. And like I said, I do think these are, okay, they're 4 by 6. So there is the first, the dashboard, and then the first insert. And here's the back of the dashboard. I do have this swan clip up here to go with the theme. Here is the second booklet. They're all lined paper. Here's the folder that I created. I do make mine double-sided so that it's really sturdy. And I stuck a couple of these clear adhesive pouches that you get from Target. And here is the last booklet. And also in here, this is a page marker that has the, let me take all of this stuff out. So it has the same fabric on the outside and then the coordinating fabric on the back. These are all laminated. I did add one of the clear pockets from Target on the front. I created a pen holder, added this pretty pink pen, and then On the inside, I just have a couple of glitter die cuts. Some acetate tags. Some of the Heidi Swap acetates. And also some of these like chat stickers. And then this hashtag paperclip. And this is meant to just mark your place so you can easily find it. I normally just keep it right here with the folder. So I love how this came out. And it just closes up like that. And it's great to fit into your purse. You take it on the go, switch the inserts out whenever they're full, or whatever else you would like to add. So that is the peachy pink one. Here is the mint version. So I'm just going to go ahead and share with you guys what's inside this one. I'm going to do it a little bit more quickly since you guys already know what's inside. So again, it is fabric, and then I laminated it so that it's easy to clean up, it's more durable. I have another charm on the front here. I created this dangle on the side, the same flat elastic band. This one has a gray and like cream, it's like a checkered pattern. The same pocket in the front, pocket in the back. Here I have some of the sticky notes and flags on the dashboard. And I don't know if you can see, but the dashboard, I actually cut it with one of my edge dies. Let's see if you guys can see that really pretty scallop detailing and the stitching on the end. So it has that on both sides. Here is the first insert. I always try to find coordinating pattern paper to go with the cover. Here's the back of the dashboard. And here is the folder. Again, double-sided. I also included 2 of these clear pockets. This is the next insert with these super cute gold foiled hearts and the same SWAN paper clip. And here is the last one with the skinny stripes on it. This one also has a page marker. So again, here is the pen holder. It has the same items inside the clear pocket. The only difference is going to be just the tags and the Heidi Swap acetates. Here's the hashtag paperclip, and that is the back of it. So these do take quite a while to make rather than doing the laminated paper version, but I do like my items to be very durable and you can use it for a really long time. So I love the way that these came out. I have made, I think, is it B6 or I think it's B6 size, which is a 5x7 inserts, I believe. And I do have a video on that, and I will link that up here as well as in the description box if you want to check that one out. But let me know what you guys think. I love the way that these came out. I tried to pack it full as I could. So if you are interested in either one of these are available for purchase. Each one of these will be shipped priority, and they will be $53 each. So you can either request the mint colored one or the peachy pink. So if you're interested, I will have all the details down in the description box below, as well as my email address, so you can go ahead and message me if you're interested in either one of these, and we can go from there. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys liked the TNs that I created, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.